Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitLab for project issue boards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with GitLab, start by visiting the GitLab website. Look for the register button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the register button to proceed to the registration form. Fill out the required fields, which typically include your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to secure your account. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Register button at the bottom of the form. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will direct you back to GitLab, confirming your email address. Now that your account is active, log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your GitLab dashboard. To create a project, click on the New Project button usually found on the dashboard. Fill in the project details, such as the project name and visibility level. Once you've set up the project, click Create Project to finalize it. You will be directed to the project overview page. On the left sidebar, navigate to Issues to manage project issues. Look for the Boards section under the Issues menu. Click on Boards to access the Issue Boards feature. Here, you can create issue boards tailored for your project. Select the New Board option to start a new issue board. Customize your board by adding lists and cards. Assign labels, milestones, and team members as needed. Once everything is set up, your issue board will be ready for use. Use the board to track project issues and workflow effectively. Now you are fully registered and equipped to use GitLab for your project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.